hello there. Hello.
Sit down, Lizzie.
Oh, hello. Hello, everyone. Hello. Hello, everyone. Hello there. Hello. Tell them I said hi. Why not? Excuse me. Pardon me. Pardon me. Excuse me. Pardon me. Hello. Hello, everybody. Hello. Hello there. Hello. Oh. Hello everyone, my name is Sigrid and I am so very excited today to tell you about Christmases in Norway. But first, here's a little bit of a Christmas carol sung by children of all ages, the mouse song, Musevisa. When nights are getting longer and lakes all freeze with ice, Mother Mouse warns strongly about a foul device. We must avoid the mouse trap, but there is not to fear. We'll all be celebrating at Christmas time this year. Hejsan och hoppsan och fallerallera, om julekvällen där ska alla sammen vara glad. Hejsan och hoppsan och fallerallera, om julekvällen där ska alla sammen vara glad. The father mouse says that it's time to take a nap. Just dream about the Yuletide and not that awful trap. While Father Mouse is keeping watch, the children try to sleep. They hum some Christmas carols instead of counting sheep. Hey-dee and hoodoo and toodle-oddle-oo, a Merry Christmas season is good for me and you. Hejsan och hoppsan och fallerallera, om julekvällen då ska alla sammen vara glad. God jul! Someone is very excited to sing. Okay, the song is over now. Oh, good. I mean, God jul! Yes, that is how we say Merry Christmas in my country.
God jul!
Now, all across Norway, the holidays are family time. But how you celebrate the holidays depends on whether you live in a big, fancy city or, like me, on one of our wonderful Norwegian farms. Now, in the city, people may spend time together by going to concerts or festivals or church services or parties, and like many of you, they are visited by Santa Claus. But on our farms, many families still celebrate the tradition of the Christmas Nissa. Now, there are two. There's Julenissen, who comes on Christmas Eve to leave the children gifts, and Fjosnissen, who lives in the haylofts of our barns. Now, it is said that this Nissa, this barn Santa, is one of our wonderful yet strange little elves who are the guardians of our farm animals and welfare. And it is said that especially at Christmas time, we must treat this Nissa, this barn Santa, with respect. For if we don't, he's been known to cause a bit of mischief in one way or another. But I have lived on a farm my whole life, and in all of my Christmases, I have never seen him. So all this talk about this barn Santa is neither here nor there, for we all know that these mischief makers do not exist, except in stories and fairy tales. So all this talk about this barn Santa is neither here nor there, for we all know that these mischief makers do not exist.
Unless they do exist and are therefore very clever and mischievous indeed.
Now, it is said that this barn Santa is a very old and rather odd-looking little gnome.
That's not true. Careful, Sigrid. I've got my eye on you.
What was that, ma'am? What? Oh, nothing? Oh, that's all right. Where was I? That's so funny. I seem to have lost my train of thought.
Allow me to take advantage of Sigrid's dramatic pause to properly introduce myself. I am the legendary Barn Santa! Oh, stop it! Well, keep going. Stop it already. So, I don't exist, huh? Well, you all see me, right? Yes? Well, let's hear you all say a nice God jul. Oh, yes, and it would be a God jul, but every Christmas has been the same. Sigrid here doesn't see me because she doesn't believe that I exist, even when I do this. Boop. She still doesn't see me. Boop. Say, you all wouldn't mind if I take the liberty to use a little magic and mischief to help Sigrid with her story? Who knows? Maybe this time she just might believe. Boop!
Oh, my. The Christmas time in Norway is my favorite time of year. There are festive holiday decorations like those over there. And the smell of holiday cookies wafts through the air in preparation for the big day. Oh, but here is the best part. In Norway, we have a 3-day celebration.
That's right. We celebrate with a party. Oh, secret. We like to party. We like to party. We like to.
Yay! Our biggest celebration day is on Christmas Eve. In the middle of the day,
Party!
about 12 o'clock or so, everything closes down early. The bells ring in the chapel, and the bells ring in the chapel, and everyone returns home to their families. Oh, hello there! What is your name?
Lily.
Lily, it's so nice to meet you, Lily. I don't, because it was over, and then all of a sudden, ringy dingy right over here with you. That's. Never mind. Now, back on the farm, the farmers may go out to the barn to give all their animals a holiday treat, an extra big helping of the finest oats and barley.
Oh, friends, imagine it's Christmas Eve. A hey-dee, a hoodoo, a doodle-da-da-do. The farmer brings the goodies for the animals. Good Yule! He says, eat up, little piggies. Ooh, and Sigrid, what do the hungry Norwegian piggies say?
Nuff, nuff!
That's right, do it again!
Nuff, nuff!
All right, from here to here, you're all my hungry Norwegian piggies. Let's hear you all say, nuff, nuff! Do it again! Louder! Okay, that's enough. Enough. Oh, and Sigrid, what do the hungry Norwegian cows say? Oh, yes, that's right. Now, from here over, you're all my hungry Norwegian cows. Let's hear you say, Maa. Oh, very nice, especially you, man. That was very good. Professional. All right, let's hear the piggies one more time. And the cows, and the piggies, and the cows, and the piggies all together now. And Sigrid will think it's the farmer on Christmas Eve.
Oh, yes, yes, the farm animals are very hungry and noisy, but you can stop now, please. Very nice. Oh, Lily, that is a very good trick, ringing that bell again. Wow, can you say lump of coal? Don't say it, we don't want to make it come true. Just got the bell and the U and never mind. Where was I?
Anyway.
Let's see. Oh, yes. The farmer leaves the animals treats, but the children don't forget about the barn Santa. They leave him treats too.
That's right. They leave me treats too. A nice big bowl of rice porridge with a little bit of cinnamon and sugar and a little pat of butter placed right on the top. Yeah, all right, well, maybe it doesn't sound like such a treat to all of you, but believe me, when the kiddies leave me a nice steaming bowl of porridge in the hayloft, it warms me right up on a cold winter's night, and it's high in fiber, too.
You will never guess what the barn Santa likes to eat. Go ahead, try to guess. Yes, a bowl of rice porridge and a stein of ale. What? All right. Never mind. So, back on Christmas Eve, the families are getting ready for their celebration. Lily, I can do it. It's lights out. And the entire house is lit only by the soft glow of candlelight. Everyone has had a big feast and everyone is all excited because even the children know the Christmas tree is just in the next room. And then the moment we have all been waiting for.
This is the best part! The parents finally say to the kids, okay, let's go into the next room. Oh, that's a great idea. Hey, Lily, come over here. Here you go, stand up and sit right there. There you go, right there, yes. Perfect, you've done this before. Okay, very nice, right on top of the trapdoor. Now they open up the door, and there's the Christmas tree all decorated. There are presents underneath for everyone. Lily, you'd like a present, wouldn't you? Yes, you would. Let's see. Okay, well, I licked the spoon. You don't want that. Woo! Yeah! All right, now, wait, Lily, have you been good this whole year?
Yes.
Are you sure?
I think.
You think? But you're not certain. Don't worry, neither am I. Why don't you grab that ring? Give that a big ring. Oh, yes. Now,
Good, you Lily! Oh my goodness! Yes, such wonderful bell ringing. So good. You can go back. Give a big round of applause for Lily. Not too big, like let's not get excited. Oh, Lily. Oh, can you say let it go? Let it go. Uh-huh. So, the rest of the night is spent exchanging gifts and singing Christmas carols around the Christmas tree until very late at night, and that is all on Christmas Eve. But the children, even though they've opened their presents on Christmas Eve, they still get up early on Christmas Day. Some families attend church services, but then the rest of the day is spent with family. But we are not done yet, because the day after Christmas in Norway, December 26th, is our second Christmas Day. Yay! That's the day for going to parties, visiting friends, and ringing bells. And Lily, don't even think about it.
Oh my kitties! Well, what to do? Sigrid's almost at the end of her story. She's almost at the end of her wits too, but she still doesn't see me. So I need magical help from all of you. I need you to all say, a really big boop. Can you do that? Yeah? All right, on the count of three. Here. 1, 2, 3.
Well, all right. Now you know all about the holidays on Norway's farms. And I am sorry to burst your bubble about the whole gnome thing, but I'm so sorry he does not exist. He doesn't.
Does he know?
It's you.
It's me.
It's him.
I'm him.
The Barn Santa. Good you.
That's more like it.
It's you.
Well, kiddies, we made a believer out of the lovely Sigrid. After all, I couldn't have done it without your help. So I hereby dub you all honorary Christmas magic makers for the rest of the day. Bibbidi bobbidi boop. Give yourselves a big round of applause. And for Lily, too. Now, folks, with that, I'm off to the hayloft to get ready for the big day. But before I go, kids, friends, remember to uphold the values of Christmas, be kind, spread joy and cheer, and be good to your barn Santa throughout the new year.
Now, Lily, ring that bell.
Ring the bell!
Good
you! Bye, everyone!
Oh, so good. Okay.
Thank you.
So good. Thank you so much.
Lily,
Lily,
come
hold
back,
on a
Lily,
second.
come back
There's
here.
something in your hair.
What is that? Oh, that's for you.
Oh, look at that.
Hey, who are you? Bye, everyone!
Hi, everyone.
Ready? You get a spoon? Oh, thank you.
Were you really there the whole time?
I was standing there the whole time.
Like
You didn't
every
see me.
year?
Everyone saw me. Everyone was there. You didn't see me.
I
Yes,
don't
yes.
even know. Oh, we have to go right now. I have to get him his porridge, or you know how angry he gets, right?
Hello. Goodbye. I gotta go to the hayloft.
I can't believe you were there.